You don't know Obeah man or no Obeah woman when me can go.
Me have one taxi driver.
As they yell at them, some of the Obeah look fear and they put some of the Obeah man. Makes you feel like I say you're Obeah man. And make some money for it. You love too much Obeah.
Driver,
Eh?
you know, you sure say you know where you go, you know where you go? You know?
Well, not taxi me run, lady. So you if me know me I go.
Me not understand how we are drive how much hour now and now we can't reach. And which part name sent it?
Woman, we are drive over.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, Miss Chrissy. Me see you, and me know where you come about.
What that, sir?
Come, give me in. Come man. Not you ask so much question.
Jesus Christ!
How long your foot sick? Your foot not sick that long for you run boy you go Obeah man.
Listen, and you know Obeah man them there. The real one, them one of makes sense. Come need a gathering, brother. Healing wine, Altivasa healing wine.
Yeah man, that's a healing. And that one yeah? Get another one yeah?
No.
Yeah man, keep up the spirits.
Yes.
Yeah man. Ah. Yeah man.
I chop a piece of food off her, you know, because guess what? She have it like that, you know.
Get all the information where you can get on her. Yes.
Yeah.
That means that when she come, make it look believable.
So how much money me figure?
So if I say how much I charge 40 last time, and 80 now. I can't run you off 100. It's trouble because this is a real serious work, you know.
Stop it. You see your mouth? Your mouth and your mind are going to put you in a problem.
Oh Lord! If you are no rat. You see girl, wouldn't come. You have to cut her out, man.
Me no believe in a Obeah. Me no believe in none of this we are going right here, so.
And money make the clock work, you know. So me I tell you, say as long as you have the money, we're good to go. Oh, what kind of little bit of money that you charge you, man, Virgin?
Listen to Rodney, man. I just the first charge that. You know hear where the Obeah man say Babylon your throne gone down.